Ingredients are 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 garlic cloves chopped, half of medium red onion, 1 quince if you want 2. I only have 1. I cleaned it and diced it this size. I need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I would say half cup of water. I need, for the spices, will be half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of turmeric, and half teaspoon of coriander powder. And I have here I would say 1 tablespoon, like handful of raisin. Some people, they use sugar if they don't have raisin, just for the sweetness. I'm avoiding to use the white sugar, so I would say let's use the raisins as a sweetener as well, a natural sweetener. So let's start with the preparation. I will take the water, put the salt, the spices, and I will mix the spices, and this will make our sauce base. Then, starting to melt everything together, is I'm gonna put the garlic cloves, put the onion, and we'll put the raisins, and I will put all my quince. The olive oil, and my spices. Now this is I'm gonna put this on the stove, and we'll meet there and I will explain to you the steps. So I put my tajine or targa in the pot on the stove. I'm gonna leave it to cook for 45 minutes on a medium-low temperature, and I will come back to you after 45 minutes is gone. We'll see how it's progressing. So this is 45 minutes from the beginning. It smells amazing. It looks beautiful. And I'm gonna check if my quince are cooked. They're soft and nice, so it's all ready.